everybody, I'm back again, and this time we are trying out the Fashom box. So I had seen some videos on Fashom on YouTube, and I really wanted to give it a try, see if it was better than some of the things I've gotten with Nadine West, and definitely with Drape Fix. So let's see what they sent. Okay, so they sent a card. It says try before you buy, returns are free and convenient, save big on spending. So if you buy everything, you get 30% off. If you buy 3 to 4 items, you get 15% off. So this page kind of shows some of the different pricing. So let's go through this. They do send it in a box with a seal. I haven't opened this one yet. I do like the big sticker. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of shiny. Okay, so the first item we got, I'm trying to look at the pricing on this. This must be the sleeveless knot detail top for $44. So it's a nice kind of sandy tan color. Maybe off-white more than tan. It does have a knot in the top. So if you were to buy it by itself, it would be $44. 15% off would be $37.40, and then the 30% off would be $30.80. So the next item is kind of a red drapey top. It's kind of like a sweater. It looks a lot different than it did in the picture when I was looking at my items, and I really kind of like the detailing and everything on it. It's a nice maroon color. That's very me. The next item is a white, oh, I'm sorry, the red shirt is $38 regularly, $26.60 for 30% off, and the 50% off would be $32.30. This is a blazer. It's got the little button details, and it's actually a little pearl. It's real cute. That's something I like a lot. It's by Naked Zebra. It's called the drop shoulder blazer with pearl button. The price is $52 if you just buy it. 30% off is $36.40. 15% off is $44.20. Okay, and the next item is a kind of floral top. It has a tie detail here. It does have 3 little buttons on the front. Just a little tank top. And then that item is $42. $29.40 if you buy all 5. $35.70 for 15% off. And then the last item is some camel colored dress pants. So these look pretty nice. I like the professional pants. I wear these a lot to work and things like that, so that's great. I will get trying on, and I'll also post the prices with each item too, so you can see that. Okay, here's the first outfit. The top, you can see it ties up here. It does have the little buttons. It is pretty modest. It comes up pretty high. I can see why she picked the top, because it does go really good with these pants, and I really do like the pants. I think the pants fit really well. But I'm not crazy about the top. I don't think the top does anything for me. But it does really match the pants really well. Okay, here is the red top. It is supposed to drape a little bit here, and then it's pretty snug at the bottom. I could pull it down further if I wanted to, but yeah, it's a pretty long shirt. It feels nice. I don't know if it's me or not. Tell me what you think. Okay, here is the last outfit. Here's the jacket. It hangs weird. I feel like I'm a scientist and I'm going into my laboratory. Normally when I like suit jackets, I want them to button, and I want them to be pretty fitted like this. This is just a little too loose. It's just not quite fitted enough. I really like the little buttons on it, but it's just not what I normally wear. So then the last item would be the tank top. So the tank top's okay. I probably wouldn't get it. It's a little too sheer for me. Now, if I had gotten the jacket, I might have gotten the shirt to go under the jacket. I did kind of like the color differences between the two items, but I just don't know that it's for me. The one thing I did really like are these pants. These pants are great. I could definitely wear these to work. I could sit in them, which is something you always want in a pair of dress pants, especially when you're going to meet with clients. So that's my fashion box. Let me know what you think down below.